This is a broom and dustpan set that I just picked up, and they have multiple colors. This is the black and red one. So it has the dustpan. The best feature of this, and the main reason I bought it, is because it has this comb here, and it has little ridges in it. What this does is that when you're sweeping and you get stuff stuck into your broom, whether it be sticky food or hair or dust, you don't have to use your hands and hunch over and grab all the stuff out of there and get your hands dirty. You simply sweep your things in and simply go like this, and the comb will take everything off the bristles for you. If it's something extra stuck, you can do it a few times, but I think that is a great feature. It doesn't slow you down. You can just continue sweeping. That's probably my favorite thing about this. It has a nice little plastic lip here to help this really be down as close to the floor as possible so that particles don't go underneath it. This is in locked position so that it stands up for you, but you can also disengage this so that you can store it easily with the broom, and it'll fit into tight spaces, which is great. It hooks in together. The broom has a lot of extension pieces to it. So the great thing about this is other dustpan sets that I've owned, the handle for the broom and the dustpan are the same height, so it's not as comfortable to sweep with that particular broom. So this one solves that problem in that it has the extra pieces so that you can make the broom however tall you want it. This is as tall as it can get. Of course, you could even make it taller and take another piece from this if you don't need this as tall to make the broom even taller if you're super tall. But I like that it has a handle up here too for the broom, and I like this handle too, how it's curved so it's easy to hold, and they just fit together perfectly. It's a great buy for sure if you're in need of a new dustpan and broom set. You can't go wrong with this one. It's definitely a popular one online.